tired of dealing with the stress and headaches of managing your property on your own? Is it taking too much of your time and you are still not getting your maximum potential income? Let Alice's Home Short-Term Property Management Services take care of everything for you. Alice's Home is a one-stop short-term property management company that offers client-centered, high-quality, and cost-effective services and experiences for both property owners and guests. For many years, Alice's Home has been managing and developing properties in Australia. Our competent team is committed to delivering first-rate services and has managed properties all over the country. The team works hard to provide exceptional service to every client who has entrusted their property to Alice's Home, and we strive to provide clients with a more flexible, convenient and joyful experience. We have been able to successfully assist owners easily and quickly turning a profit on their assets due to our cutting-edge management concepts, excellent creative thinking and honest service mentality. On Alice's Home, we'll manage your listing on the most popular and well-known rental websites in partnership with us. Our team of experienced professionals will handle everything from advertising your property to finding the perfect tenants and handling all of the paperwork. Our goal is to take the burden off of your shoulders and maximize your rental income so you can sit back and relax. With Alice's Home Property Management, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your property is in good hands. Don't wait any longer, contact us today and let us take care of your investment property.